for this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit with a volume and yeah. I'm gonna edit with a volume. Video. So this is a free app. It's an app you can download with Apple's App Store, and I think you can download it with Google on Android. I'm not sure, but it definitely works on iOS. So first of all, you'll be lit up with the actual you don't have to sign in or log in, but you'll be with like terms and stuff. But after your terms, you should be here. You should not see any projects. And if you do, then you already used this up, but you should not see any projects. And you see a big yellow button saying new project. You also got a camera. You can we can do that if you want to create it from scratch. We can do toolbox. You know, I never really use this up, but I'm just showing you. You got some tools, overlay, you got an overlay. And what all we're going to say is like new project. And now we can select any videos or photos that we want. I'm going to pick this video here. So you can upload multiple clips. You just click on them. Upload multiple clips. But for me, I'm just going to add one clip. And once you selected all the clips you want, just press next. And then it'll import it. And now we have the timeline and our replay screen. Now, already down below we see a ton of options. If we click on the timeline with our finger or whatever, we can do a little bit more options. So let's start the basics. We have an redo and an undo button and an X out button. We also have a question button. If we click this button, it'll bring up some tutorial things and stuff. But if you don't, but one and yeah, but I'm gonna X out that. We can export it. I'm doing a video.
Sorry, darling. Don't tell me these things, mate. I just, I'm not a mind.
You little punk.
Sorry, darling. I love you. Don't be mean to me.
I see it, Mama. You're ruining it.
I bet you're hungry. It's been nice, mate. Why are you being so nice?
Can you be quicker? Can you please be quicker, Mummy?
Why are you being so nice to me?
Because you're not being quick.
You're mean to me.
Okay, so we have a big timeline. We have a big export button up here. Now, if I export it, we can do a 4x Ultra HD, but that's only if you use V.I.P, but I don't have V.I.P. We have 180p Full HD. We have 70 or HD, and we have a 4H. And off the side, we can see how many minutes. Boy, look how much the Ultra one takes. Boy, you're gonna be that fast, this. And the ZFF only costs 1 minute. But the normal one costs 59 and a ton of, and this is basically the resolution, but you know, you can go down here, change your frame rate if you want. Anyways, let's get on to the actual editing part and stuff. Let's first show you guys how to, down the bottom, how to cut the video. So after clicking the timeline again, and with your real life line, follow with your finger where you want to cut, and where the line is where it's going to cut, and down below you can see split or cut, whatever you call it, and once we do that, it's, oh, okay, so we got a cut here, cut, and now all these clips are separated. separate it from each other. And if we click on this cup, we have a ton of these transitions that we can do. I'm gonna do the dark one because I quite like this one. And you'll see it'll like get dark and then light us up into the new clip. It does this after cut, and you can do it. You can cut your video like so. Now I'm going to show you guys how to actually add text here. So don't click on your timeline and unclick it, and you should see text. Don't click on the timeline. It should not be clicked on the timeline. You should see text. Click on the text and then add text again. And now we can type whatever you want. You can type like no, and so five. And then we can go down the stars. The only problem with these stars is they don't actually have your color, but you know.
Hey guys.
Look at this. Oh no, I'm not going there. We got black. Look at that. We do this, and you can see this title fin, the blue fin. With you see the white stuff, the line with these bars, you can like make it longer the title. That's how long the title will actually show up. If I make it like really long, it'll show up for a long time. But if I make this really short, it'll show up for a little time. You can also do the same with this handlebar over here. And we have a ton of these edit customizations. And now if I scroll through.
Hey guys. So
there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to turn up volume. So what I'm going to do is come down to the timeline. Again, click on the timeline. I'll talk about more of these options in a minute. And what you want to do is go into volume, should have 100 sign above, and basically you can change the volume up, or even change it down. You have a big slider back here. You have some more options down here, fade in or fade out, but I'm not going to do those options. What did you that? Oh, I don't really know what that means. Oh, it's added. Okay, I'll show you guys that. So I'm going to click max. The max is 200 and the minion is, of course, 0. But I'm going to change it to 200 here. And now we have this big clip. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to actually do stuff. I'm going to show you guys how to actually like swim up your video. So what I do is click on the timeline. Click on your timeline and press swim. And you can swim from the end. Oh, turn up properly. Or you can swim from the start. Your choice. I'm gonna swim this part of my video out. I mean this whole part. And now on this press done. You can press cancel if you don't actually want to do it. But you know, that's what I like to do. Now we trimmed out our video a little. Now I'm actually going to show you the edit button down here. If we press edit, well, okay, first of all, you have to click on the timeline to get to it, and then press edit. We have a ton of this, but the one that I really like is crop. And we can like crop out of our like video if you don't want it. You can like crop this like stuff. You can crop this thing here. And once you crop it, we have some preset templates down here, but we're not using them. And press done. You can see that it cropped out our video. cropped out our video a little. And out here we did a cut so it wouldn't crop that out, but you know, still fine. Let's click on the template again and we can see that we got a ton of more options. Now I want to move on to speed. But first of all, I'm going to have to talk about the cuts. So cuts in like iMovie will separate your clips. And if I add a speed change to this clip between the cuts, it won't apply to this other clip beside it. So cuts will report it if you do that same thing. It's like the same with iMovie. And yes. Anyways, let's get on speed. So click on the clip that you want to add speed to. There's a cut for speed. And we have a ton down here. You can see that we have a 2x, we have a 10x. So I'm going to do 10x. It's one of the fastest I'm pretty sure. And your voice goes fast, the clip goes fast, everything goes fast in your clip. Look what I'm going to play.
You have like a way
That was actually scary. Just kidding. Now you have your speed up. Now we're actually gonna get onto the. You have a delete button here. It will delete the clip. If there's a cut, then it won't. If there's a cut between the clip, it won't delete that clip. It will only delete the clip that you're on if you have a cut. Now there's a ton of options, but those are all the basic ones and stuff like that. Now we're actually gonna get on where without you selecting the clip. You have a ton. First let's get into a sticker. You have a ton of these stickers. Yeah. I'm gonna click a random one. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna get a recent. I'm gonna go into some I don't know. Some like I don't know. Let's just I don't know what we're doing. Anyway. No, I'm not looking at it. Yeah, I'll just And now we have this freaking flying fin. And you can move it around. We got these emoji fins are so cool, bro. We got an awesome fin. We can put it wherever you want. But let's just delete it. Now sticker. Now let's with some, you know. Edit or automatically get you into timeline. Theme. One of these. We have a theme. All of these themes you can choose, but I'm not going to choose them, of course. But you can choose them if you want. Filter. So we can choose this filter, and it'll make it really like sparkly. The items below. We choose this one. All that one. Let's cancel and look at this. You know what? I'm actually gonna keep that. That actually looks cool. Photo. And now we get on with some actual other ones. Music. So when we go into music, we can press add music, and we have a ton of these. Most of them are copyright. To avoid copyright risk, it's a woman to bring copyright information to to social media. So we're not going to do that because it might include copyright, and we're not doing that. And yeah, we're not going to even upload this. Yeah. Yeah. So what else am I talking about? Oh yeah, I know what I'm talking about. They're going to what else? Music. So we can do music. Open up the exact same screen as we were just for sound effects. And we can now like kind of the sound for that. Okay, we can record our voice. We can start recording and then we can record a voice, save it, and then we have to record our voice in there. And I think that's almost about all the features that we can do in this. But there's and yeah, I think that's all the features that we can do. And we can check all the features, yeah. And all we can do is undo stuff. Anyway, press the export button, and we can export it with pick your resolution, pick your frame rate, and then I'm gonna pick this one, processing, saving, please. Actually, it goes a little quicker than I actually expected. Anyways, guys. Hope you liked the video. See you next time. Goodbye.